This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your online status in Indeed. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have my browser open now and I am logged into Indeed. To enable or disable your online status, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to these little icons, and the one that looks like a person, if you put your mouse cursor over it, it says account. Click on account. Then you want to go down to where it says settings and click on settings. Now on this page it opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on communications settings. Then on the center pane it says show online status. Show people you message when you're on Indeed. When this is off, people you message won't see your online status and you won't be able to see theirs. To disable online status, toggle this off. To enable it, toggle it on. That is how to enable or disable your online status on Indeed. Thanks for watching.